Well, as you can tell from the title of the video, I have been cursed. The curse of 69420.
LOL, Lemao.
The gameplay in the background is from my second channel, more on that later. So, it all started with Instagram. By the way, why are you still not following me on Instagram? I'm still at 69 followers.
Lemao.
God damn it, go follow me. Come on, go. Anyway, I took a poll on Instagram asking you this question. Should I start showing my face in future videos? And all of you said yes, except one account. One account with the username I curse you.
OMG.
I thought this account was a troll, but this account sent me a DM saying,
I have put a curse on you.
okay?
The curse of the subscribe button gods.
Yeah, right.
See the face when the face sees 69420.
LOL.
Being the rational person that I am, I ignored this and I made a guitar video with my face showing. Or so I thought. Guitar number 3. As you saw with that video, my face is blurred out. At that time, while filming/recording, I didn't realize what was happening. It's only when I checked the playback that I realized what had happened. At first, I was confused, and then I remembered the message that I cursed you sent me.
OMG.
That account actually cursed me. Every video, every photo of me is blurred out. Even the ones that were taken when I was a child, they too are blurred out. In order to lift the curse, you need to click the subscribe button of this channel and of my gaming channel too. Look at what you're missing out on. Saya dekat drone mah. Lah sak jam nak hilang dia.
Signal's all bad. They're jamming the drone.
Pada suppressor, saya kata WR lah. Tu kan kapha bang ada nak tu kasulai.
Spotted one with submachine guns.
Take straight off.
I guess he wasn't as badass as he thought.
Let's take off that mask and get Bowman her photo and see who you really are.
Kena mission lupa sedang ngala perkat lu ngala ni perkat ngala tharai lupa ba enamla ada bandit tur jejai. Oh no. Apa sih dah ka M tu? Mortar.
I called the rebels for some indirect fire.
We'll go. Got him. Down.
If you don't click subscribe and hit the like button, I will never be able to take a picture or record a video of my face ever again.
Subscribe now.
To lift the curse.
OMG.